Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming ownership and loading the Search Console site details. Once done, open Coverage and URL Inspection. Inspect one example URL that shows a canonical issue so you see the reported canonical and the user-declared canonical. Next, check your sitemap and robots. TXT quickly to ensure the URL is not blocked. Make sure you note whether the issue is site-wide, parameter-driven, or single-page, because that determines whether you will fix metadata, redirects, or canonical tags next. You now diagnose why Google chose a different canonical. Inspect the HTML for rel equals canonical, check for conflicting headers, and review server 301/302 behavior. If the page tag is wrong, change rel equals canonical to the preferred URL and ensure it is absolute. If headers conflict, align them with the tag. For duplicate pages, consolidate content and use 301 redirects where appropriate. Once edits are live, request indexing in Search Console and reinspect to confirm Google sees the updated canonical. You finish by requesting indexing for fixed URLs and watching the coverage and URL inspection reports over several days. Make sure the canonical status changes to the preferred URL. If Google still chooses another canonical, double-check for subtle issues. Trailing slashes, HTTP versus HTTPS mismatches, inconsistent internal links, or hreflang and canonical conflicts. As a troubleshooting tip, test disabling plugins or temporary redirects on a staging site to isolate the cause before applying site-wide changes. This prevents accidental SEO regressions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.